Ah, this is looking good. They look nice and clean, don't they? Yeah. I'll hold it. And the little tatties. Yeah, biggie ones. Might have a tag in there somewhere as well, seeing what variety it is, but that's a good size. You can size that one. Oh god. Wow. Nice and clean. Oh, I'm going to go pick this one up. Seems to be nice and clean. Good spuds. That's a sea tatty. Oh, look at that. That looks promising, it really does. Ah, what we got here? 4th of April, Casablanca, first early. At least I can remember which one that was. As I got the packages look very similar in colour, and a lot of stages it got confusing. Let's have a look. Wow. That's not bad for a bucket, is it?
Remember they're sat on poo as well.
Yeah, so that's the contents of one bucket. Oh, we've got a few more to empty, but not all at once. I don't think our backs would forgive us for that.